Hi, welcome to my channel, Cooking Show at Home. Today, I'll be making a perfect breakfast for anyone with a sweet tooth. Pineapple upside-down pancakes. They're light, fluffy, and full of sweet pineapple flavor. Made from scratch with fresh pineapple and homemade pancake batter. As always, you can find the full ingredient list in the description below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, feel free to leave your questions and comments in the comment section. Okay, let's start. Crack 1 egg into a mixing bowl and beat it with a pinch of salt using a mixer or a whisk. Next, add 1 cup of flour. It's best to sift it through a sieve to break up lumps and aerate the flour for a better texture. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything well. If the batter is still too thin, adjust by adding a little more flour. The consistency should be thick but pourable, similar to thick cream. If you don't have buttermilk, you can easily make it using regular milk. Add about 1 teaspoon of vinegar to 1 cup of milk. Mix it in and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Your buttermilk is ready. The pancake batter is now ready. Now, melt about 1 tablespoon of butter in a skillet over low heat. Prepare the pineapple by cutting off the top and bottom, removing the spiky skin, and slicing it into rings about 1.5 inches thick. Do not remove the core. Once cooked, it will be tender and easy to eat. Sprinkle about half a tablespoon of sugar evenly on both sides of each pineapple ring. Fry them in batches over medium heat, leaving enough space around each ring. Cook on the first side for about 5 minutes, until the sugar caramelizes and the pineapple turns light to medium brown. Flip and cook the other side for about 2 minutes. Carefully pour about half a cup of pancake batter over each pineapple ring. Cook until the batter starts to look dull on the surface, about 3 minutes. Then, carefully flip the pancakes and cook for another 2 minutes. When done, transfer them to a plate. Optionally, garnish with maraschino cherries and serve. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!